Magandang araw, Pat Fit for students. So we're now on another lesson. Okay, it's still connected to sa basic kicks. Okay, so napag-aralan na yung low kick, 45 kicks, and axe kick. Okay, part of ng basic kick pa rin natin ay ang in-out and out-in kick. Okay, the in-out and out-in kick. Hindi pa out-in yan, out-in yan. So, I will be demonstrating it. So, okay, it's up to you to perform, okay, the following kicks. But before nyo ma-perform ang mga sipa na to, you must be able to perform muna yung stretching exercise for this particular movement. Okay? Kasi otherwise, maaaring hindi ninyo ma-perform ng tama or, okay, magdulot lang ito ng sakit sa inyo. Okay? So, let's see. Okay. So, we'll start off with the right side. Okay. Okay, sa right side. So, before, okay, either the previous lesson or sa face-to-face natin, napag-aralan na natin or naituro ko na or na-perform nyo na yung tinatawag nating low kick. Okay, so this is what the low kick looks like, ha? Okay. So, remember, okay, nakadikit ang paa. Okay. Okay. And then you perform it by lifting it low leg lift. Okay, sorry. It's low leg lift. Okay? Pag lift ninyo, diretso ang paa. Okay? Tapos hanggang diretso lang ang paa. Okay, straight siya. Pagbaba, hindi tumutupi ang tuhod. Okay. Now, when you perform this now, okay, so another type, okay, is that when you move your legs backward, okay, this I will be performing another type of kick, no? When you move your foot backward, kapantay lang siya halos. Huwag niyong ilalagay yung paa na pupunta sa likod na ilalagay niyo sa likod ng inyong paang nakaharap. See? You just pull it backward. Okay? Huwag ganyan na nasa likuran nung nasa harapan na paa. Okay? So, this time, okay, so kanina nakita na ninyo yung low leg lift. Yung low leg lift. So, this time, ang ipe-perform naman natin ay cross leg lift. Oh, so eto, okay? So, yung kanina low leg lift yan, ha? Okay? So, this time, you will cross it, okay, dun sa harapan na paa ninyo. Okay? Para siyang leg lift, instead na paharap, na diretso, okay, kumukross siya. Okay? From the other leg. Okay? At again, waist level, yung pagtaas, at matigas or straight ang mga paa. The next one, okay, that we will be performing is what we call the side leg lift. The side leg lift. So kung kanina, okay, nung pinerform natin ang cross leg lift nasa likod ng paa, ang side leg lift, okay, nakadikit ang paa. Now what will you do? Okay, you lift your leg, okay, sidewards, okay. Okay. So, you have to make sure hangga't maaari para nakabuo kayo ng L na yung naka-lift na paa is almost parallel to the ground itself. Okay? Again, straight lang yung paa, hindi po siya tumutupi. So that is the side leg lift. Okay? Yan. So this time I'm just performing it with the left side, with the right side. Okay? So that's, you have the cross leg lift. Okay? And then you have the side leg lift. Okay. Now we will need to perform those kinds of stretches, okay, for your legs, okay, for your limbs, okay, for this next type of kick, okay. Okay. Now remember, okay, ang una muna natin ay what ang tinatawag natin na in-out kick. So, yung nasa harapan natin, okay, that is considered the inside. Okay? At yung nasa side naman natin, That is what we call the outside. So when you say in-out kick, that means it's a kick, okay, na nagmumula sa inside papunta sa labas. Okay? So that means, okay, it's a kick na nakikita paarko, pabilog. So this is what it will look like. Okay? Using the right leg lift. Okay? Apply dito yung cross leg lift. So cross leg lift, tapos umaarko siya, paharap, diretso sa likod. Again, the legs will have to be straight. Hindi po siya tumutupet. Okay? Okay? So, pa-cross, tapos, okay? Umiikot hanggang palikod. Now, when you perform this cross leg lift, make sure, okay, na nasa chest level, okay, ang sinisipa ninyo. Hindi yung mababa lang. Now, okay. So, this time naman, okay, so that's the in-out kick. So, ngayon naman, i-perform natin ang out-in. So, kung out-in naman siya, ibig sabihin, ito ay isang sipa na nagmumula sa labas, papunta sa loob. Okay? It will look like this. Okay? So, inside, outside, papuntang inside. Umaarko ulit. Okay? At this time, when you perform the out-in kick, your body will twist. Okay? Nagta-turn. But make sure na yung ulo natin, okay, will remain facing front. Okay? So as you can see, the body has turned, okay, nag-twist na siya, but hangga't maaari, nakatingin pa rin sa harapan. Okay? So that is the out-in kick. Okay. Again, see? At again, level, okay? Yung sipa mo dapat lumalampas at sa chest level nyo. Okay. And when you twist, okay, hindi mo inaalis ang tingin sa harapan. Okay. Okay, so again, let's see. Okay? Ang in-out, okay? When you perform the inside out, the body does not really twist. Okay? Pala lang halos ang gumagalaw, unlike the out-in kick na nagka-twist. Okay? So, guys, that is what we call those are the last of the basic kick. The next one that we will be sending you will be the modified kicks. So, practice this, okay, and then I hope you will get it. Okay, again, wag kayong makontento na mababa lang yung ipe-perform niyo. Kasi kapag ang purpose niyan, ang point niyang in-out or out-in kick, pag kayo'y tinutukan. Pag tinutukan kayo, syempre, either nasa muka o nasa bandang chest level. So you're trying to use that kind of kick to divert, okay? To divert kung ano man yung nakatutok sa'yo. Okay, whether it's pa-outside or pa-loob ang diversion. So that is the function or the purpose of an out-in or an in-out kick. Okay, so you just have to be careful in performing this. Thank you.